This video will walk you through using your calculator to test a claim of linear correlation. Please notice that this video continues after the scatter plot has been sketched on your piece of paper. As you see, the screen is still on my left. Now, we'll go back up, and this problem is dealing with the delta flights. As mentioned, rho equal to 0, rho not equal to 0 means that there is a linear correlation, and we need to find the t-test statistic p-value and our value of r for this problem. So we're going to go to stat over to tests, and we're going to go down and we're going to do a linear regression t-test. Mine is option F. I use the up arrow key to go all the way down and then scroll up until I get to the option to save time. Now my X list is going to be, as I mentioned, the altitude, and it's here in step 1. The Y list is going to be the temperature, so L1 and L2 as I've entered them in advance. Rho not equal to 0, and it's now time to enter in the Y1 in your regression equation. I'm going to go to the steps here in your calculator, and you notice in this box that I'll try to highlight here, the whole box. I guess I can't highlight the whole box. There we go. You only need to change the reg EQ regression equation to Y1 once, so you'll need to follow these steps now. Make sure your cursor is on the reg equation line, press variables, go to Y variables, select option 1 for function, and select option 1 for Y1. Now it should remain there as long as you do not mess with it for the remaining part of the semester, and we must do this. Now we're ready to calculate, so we'll hit enter. Now please notice that our test statistic is rounded to 2 decimal places, negative 27.78. P-values are 3 significant digits as you see here. But going back over to our calculator, we're also required to report the value of r. So press your down arrow key until you can press it no more. And you notice your value of r, which will be 3 decimal places flat, negative 0.997. This goes ahead and concludes this video.